Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how to become n- a Norwegian language teacher. So to understand better about how to become this language tutor, we are going to read an article on colanguage.com to understand better about it. So uh, let's go without wasting much more time. Let's read this article out. Work from home as a Norwegian language teacher. Do you speak fluent Norwegian and do you want to share your knowledge with motivated students? Co-language offers you a freelance teacher job. Continue to read if you are interested. Become an online teacher in Norwegian. All you have to do to start your part-time job as a teacher is to create an account on CoLanguage, to complete your profile, to do a verification interview, to respond to students, and to start teaching online. Get paid by being an online Norwegian teacher. CoLanguage works with payment methods, PayPal, and bank transfer. The process goes as follows. Students buy lesson hours on their profile. CoLanguage receives this money and keeps it until the class is confirmed. The money you earn will be transferred to you. Requirements for teaching online at CoLanguage. In order to be able to offer the best quality for our students, we ask for teachers who have teaching experience and or a teaching certificate, who are motivated to teach and can provide students with good study material, who know how to work with Skype and have a good internet connection. Advantages of working online as a language teacher. At CoLanguage, you are free to set your own availabilities. You will work as a freelancer. You can set your own price per hour and you can teach from wherever you want. Work from home as a Norwegian language teacher. Language English, targeted language, Norwegian Nynorsk, and how to apply. Number one, complete your profile. Number two, do an interview. Number three, receive requests from students. And the number four is arrange your first Skype lesson. So that was the article about becoming a Norwegian language teacher at home. So as a freelance. So now you've got the idea about this website. So like you can say you got the idea about becoming a language teacher on this website. So as you know about Norwegian language, now we'll uh, check out some services that is related to teaching Norwegian on Fiverr. So let's go and search Norwegian tutor on Fiverr. So as you can see, I've searched here, and there are a lot of gigs, but we'll just check out one gig on the Fiverr, and we'll get idea from it that how much it uh, costs for one lesson or a basic package of teaching Norwegian. So, as you can see, the title of this gig, I will teach you Norwegian for $18, and she got 9 reviews till yet with 5-star ratings and one order in queue with the basic package of 26,477 PKR and a standard package of 35,000 PKR and premium package of 42,000 PKR. So I hope now you've got the idea about payment or cost charges of Norwegian tutor, you can say. So yeah, that was the video about Norwegian tutor, that how to become one, and how much charges or salary, you can say, how much salary they get. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you've understood everything about it. So it's time to end this video right here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.